All right. So trade recap for the 31st of March. I did take a loss before this. I did mark it out because this is my second attempt at this video. I'm not gonna hold you. My entry was here, and my stop loss was under these lows at 250, and I did get stopped out. This was during Asia session. Um, Overall bullish bias when it came down. I just entered too early for the market. I guess I don't know if news came out or something. I honestly did not check. I just got off the charts after that, and price ends up buying back above this hourly zone to continue back up to this high. So took a loss. I did lose two of my funded alpha accounts on that because they were in like drawdown, but those accounts are already cycled out. Honestly, I did secure five payouts on two of them. I still have one more on my standard account. So overall ROI, I'm up. I was up on them. So it's not really getting to me mentally about blowing those accounts. I'm just gonna buy two more Lucid accounts because their rules are better and they just have better everything and a higher payout cap. And it's cheaper right now because I think the Alpha's like $89, the Lucid's like 78. So same thing basically. So for the trade for today during New York, obviously a bullish indication was made at 9:45. So going to New York, I saw that we had a correction and kind of consolidation of the market during London. So I wasn't really too concerned, but I saw that price ends up breaking out back above this zone because remember above this high, we're able to above back up to this high. So I just needed bullish confirmation of the lower time frame trend. So we end up getting a correction, new high in the market on the 5 minute, breaking this high, a correction, and I enter off of here. Going to drawdown for a little bit. I was a little bit worried that my stop loss was tight, but it was perfectly fine. Um, End up sitting in drawdown. Price ends up breaking out this high right here, this inner low, this inner structure high, and this high. So that just gives me more confirmation to hold during the trade. I did go break even around here at 300 ticks. So this was a risk-free trade after this whole entire consolidation. It was just a bunch of noise. The one thing that did concern me is that on the 1 minute, which really doesn't matter, um, but I saw that we were building resistance around here. We did reject these highs, one, two, and three, basically. And I saw that was a resistance, but we also had a support here that we did not break out of. And we weren't breaking any new major lows. We didn't break this low. We didn't break this low. We just were retesting and not making any new highs. So I was just confident that the trade either was going to hit me break even or continue up with the trend because overall on the higher time frame, we are very bullish, especially over this high. So we also broke this high during London, during Asia, broke out of this high. So then we are bullish back above here, but we're also bullish above here. So that's just extra confirmation to hold the trade and not really to bug out. Um, for my TP, I aimed for a 30-minute resistance, support as it to be used as a resistance and ended up hitting and going up for a little bit more. But I just took P's at 600 ticks or around there, 620. So yeah, all glory to God. This trade was clean. It just required patience and just not being like impatient getting out early, which is a habit that I've been having lately. So I'm just gonna get back to just letting my trades run and just letting them do their thing. Um, but yeah, let me show you guys a trade copy here. So since I took that loss in London, um, not London, Asia, that was minus 250. So I was using one con. I've been on one con all week. So this basically just brought me back out. These accounts are back at break even. So now I'm gonna buy two more Lucid accounts. So I'm not max allocation, but so I could pass five of them at the same time. Lord willing. So because these were in drawdown, but I got them back up, and I said to myself once I got them back up, I'll re up on the two other accounts that I lost today. So gonna do that. I'm not gonna buy any more accounts off of Alpha. I think I'm just gonna stick with five Lucids and then the one Alpha account, standard account that I have still. and just try to get this out of drawdown and build this buffer up again and get these accounts passed. Because by the time I get these accounts passed and able to get like a 4K, 2K payout from each of them, this account should be ready for a payout, a nice decent payout as well. Lord willing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and the month. It was a good month overall. This month secured around, I think, seven in payouts, $7,000 in payouts. So glory to God. Next month got to do the same thing, but just got to take it slow and be patient because this price action really like has been messing with my psychology, and I've been impatient and not really following the things I'm supposed to be doing. But I'm just gonna get back on that now and really lock in with that and just be patient. One con, build a consistency, and then start scaling up slowly. But yeah, that's the plan for right now. Hope you all having a good day and God bless.